Hi, welcome. I'm Diana, and in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you all of my trades I took for the month of February. We're going to take a look at my wins and losses and see if we can pinpoint what we could do better next month. If you have any suggestions, comment below because I'd love to hear from you and we could grow and increase our wealth together $1 at a time. All right, let's take a quick look at my trades. Here are all my scalp and day trades for the month of February, and I did not place as many as I would have liked because it was such a busy month for me with a nonprofit fundraising event, and then I had this retirement party and so many things that were happening with family from out of town that I literally only placed a few trades, unfortunately. And some of them were break-even trades like this one, and this one. But however, from all of these trades, I made a total of $210. And then this one I'm still in from the 28th. I wasn't able to close it out. You know how you kind of wait for it to go higher at a higher exit price instead of my usual 10-cent increments. And it did reach 8.25, even 8.26, but I was like, well, how much higher can it go? Well, it didn't, and then it literally just kept dropping. And after hours, it was like 7.47. So greed never pays out. I'm actually going to put that little note here. Greedy Diana. Just take your profit. Okay, and then I usually put little notes on here like how the market moves and performs so that I could just relearn from my lessons. You can download this entire spreadsheet for free. I have the link provided below if you wanted to keep track of your trades. Also, January, you can watch the video. I'll post that below. It was 466, so let's compare it with everything I earned this month. Okay, my MSTY payout, I own MSTY in the same $3,000 brokerage account that I used to trade this with Moomoo. And if you wanted to use Moomoo, you get like 30 free stocks and 8.1 API. So it's really good investment right now. And please use my link because I get a tiny kickback and I would really appreciate it if you want to try Moomoo out. This is what I used to do all my day in scalp trading and even investing in the MSTY ETF that follows a MicroStrategy. All right, let's calculate all of the futures and options trading for this month. So I'm going inside my Tasty Trade account. All right, these are all of my trades. I had futures trading, some SPX trading, which did not perform very well. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you have a money block, and how do you know for sure? We'll take the free money quiz down below to find out. Alright, so if you ever want to see how much you made for a specific month, you're going to go into history and then adjust it to custom and pick your starting date until the end date that you want to look at, and you can close this out. Alright, so the total here is, let me just expand this so it can tell me what it is. $845. These are the fees that we're taking, like the commission fees. So altogether, I made $845. Nope, actually, that's a lie because I did put in $500. Where is my $500 here? Here it is. So I moved $500 into my $6,500 Tasty Trade account, and I actually just made, let me just unclick that. I actually made $345. So let's go ahead and put it back into our spreadsheet here, adding $345. And if I were just to add up everything that I actively traded, I made $595, which I'm really proud of myself because last month I made $466. So growth is good. However, do you remember when I shared with you on last month, I got stuck in this XTP. I'll see it's right here. I spent $1,000 on 502 shares at $199, and that plummeted like nothing I've ever seen. And then I finally came back to over $1 and I sold 100. I had 402 shares left. And you know what they did? They had a reverse split. So I had 402 shares left. And by the end of the reverse split on that Monday, I had 80 left. And I was so sick and tired of holding on to the negative energy that this stock has been burdening me for the last 2 months, that I was like, I'm just going to sell it at a loss. I don't care if I'm under in the red, but I don't want to carry on this burden. And it's not that I despise SXTP, kind of do, but 50% of that is totally my fault for not having a stop loss. And as a scalp trader, I'm in and out, so I don't put stop losses, right? And it really taught me a huge lesson, a very expensive lesson, because even last month I sold in a negative when I sold those 100 shares, $80. And then now I sold 700, and I lost 701 because of the reverse split. What a crappy stock. Sorry, I don't want to say negative things, but I'm pretty certain that a ton of people lost money on this stock. I never ever want to see the stock ever again. Anyhow, so this is what I ended up. February total is negative $116.05. Which is pretty sad, but you know what? I'm learning. This is only my second month of trading stocks, and I have a feeling next month is going to be so much better. I can't be too hard on myself. I am still learning how to trade stocks, learning and becoming a better trader every single day. Well, friend, what did you think about my trades this month? What would you have done differently? Comment below so we can all learn together. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope to connect with you soon. And in the meanwhile, check out this video.